All futures contracts have a minimum price fluctuation, also known as a tick. Tick sizes are set by the exchange and vary by contract instrument. For example, the tick size of an E-mini S&P 500 futures contract is equal to 1/4 of an index point. Since an index point is valued at $50 for the E-mini S&P 500, a movement of 1 tick would equal 2.52 times $50 or be equal to $12.50. The tick size of the NYMEX WTI crude oil contract is equal to 1 cent. The WTI contract unit is 1,000 barrels, so the value of a 1-tick move is $10. Tick sizes are defined by the exchange and vary depending on size of the financial instrument and requirements of the marketplace. Tick sizes are set to provide optimal liquidity and tight bid-ask spreads. The minimum price fluctuation for any CME Group contract can be found on the product specifications page.